Do you want to make your export business hassle-free? Do you think a warehouse in China can grow your business? If so, you're on the right track. Hello guys, I'm John. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I'll talk about China warehousing for the export business. Let's get right into the video and start with what warehousing is. So, warehousing is the process of storing goods in a particular space. In simple terms, a warehouse is a structure. Here, businesses keep lots of wares or goods. Warehouses are different. You may access some of them, and may not to others. That's because some are accessible to the public, but others are not accessible. You may also find some warehouses that do nothing except store products, but others could also be providing logistical services. On that basis, we have different types of warehouses. Let me discuss only 4 of them. Number 1. Public warehouse. Some governments often own the public warehouse for the public, but many small business owners use it for storage. That's because public warehouses provide storage services only. Here, you can rent space and store your goods at an affordable price. Number 2. Private warehouse. A single corporation owns and runs a private warehouse. Here, management and storage of goods have better control. Examples of such warehouses include fulfillment and distribution centers. Number 3. Fulfillment warehouse. The name of this warehouse speaks about it. Here, e-commerce businesses find order fulfillment services. You can also call it a fulfillment center or 3PL. Number 4. Distribution warehouse. In the supply chain of wholesale goods, you will find weigh stations. These weigh stations are distribution warehouses or facilities. These warehouses mix products from many vendors. Thus, it helps smoothen the wholesale delivery for retailers. So that was all about the types. Now why do you need warehousing services in China for export business? So, number 1. It stores your products in a specific location. China warehouses provide storage space to fit your production orders. You can rest assured that all your products ship from one central location, so the process of quality control also becomes much easier. You can enjoy extra benefits by having all products in one location. Number 2. It makes order processing easier. Using a China warehouse leads to optimized order processing and shipping. It's easy to check and confirm what products are in stock or sold out. You may get the tools you need to load and unload your orders. All these make the process of order processing easier and quicker. Number 3. It improves the delivery time of your products. If you want to improve the delivery time, consider using warehousing. With it, you can read your customers' pre-orders. Split shipments are another option you can take advantage of. You can ship products directly to clients from China, speeding up the delivery process. Number 4. China warehouses have professional and experienced staff. The warehouse fulfills your need to have a professional team. Chinese warehouses have skilled, experienced, and well-trained staff. They are experts in loading and unloading, inventory management, packing, etc. Using their services means placing your goods in safer hands. Okay, so that was all about why you should get a warehouse in China. Now, let's discuss the major benefits of using a warehouse. What pros can you expect from it to run a successful export business? Number 1. Reduces business risks. China warehousing helps business owners to reduce the risks in their businesses. Besides, the warehouse takes full liability for your item's safety. Many warehouse providers have an insurance policy, so its insurance company pays for damages that result from accidents. Number 2. Gives financing help. China warehouse helps you get financing for your business. It issues a deposit slip when a buyer stores his goods. It also offers a document known as a business owner warrant. The buyer can use these 2 documents to apply for financial aid or loans. Number 3. Facilitates quick shipping. If you're tired of delays in shipping, it's high time to change the narrative. Warehousing companies can deliver the order to the location. It helps to speed up the process of shipping. Plus, it reduces the time spent processing the orders. Number 4. Faster stock refilling. The warehouse provides information about your stored inventory. This inventory helps you track in-stock and out-of-stock items. So you never get out of stock. You don't have to wait for the supplier to arrange these goods. Instead, you can stock them in advance in a warehouse. Number 5. Competitive storage rates. China warehouses offer many services, and they are inexpensive. So you can expect a decent offer from the warehousing companies. A warehousing service provider offers different pricing plans. These plans depend on your storage quantity and duration. Number 6. Flexible operations. You will have many options if you work with a China warehouse. In case of any geographical issues, your warehouse will still perform. It'll be ready to walk with you when you wish to expand. In short, warehouses have no limits on how much storage you have at the moment. Well, so far, you know why you need a warehouse in China. Now, let me tell you how to choose the best China warehouse. Follow these 5 guidelines. Number 1. Go for a cost-effective warehouse. Consider your budget and stick to it. Go for a warehouse that aligns with this budget. Proper research should do the trick as China has many warehouse options. Check several warehouses and compare their prices. Ensure to select the one meeting your needs at an affordable price. Number 2. Consider the location of your warehouse. The warehouse location will have a significant impact on your business. For this reason, consider a central location. The nearer it is to your production site, the better. Remember, the area will impact your costs and profit, so consider it. In general cargo trade, suppliers are mainly concentrated in Guangdong, Zhejiang, and Shanghai. Major cities in Guangdong, Shenzhen, Guangzhou, and Dongyuan. Major cities in Zhejiang, Hangzhou, Yiwu, Ningbo. Another is Shanghai. If your suppliers are in these provinces, warehouses here are the best choice. That's because they are close to the suppliers and ports. Number 3. Choose warehouse per your business needs. China warehouses provide great services. If your business benefits from them, they must meet all its needs. For this reason, consider your business needs. Select the warehouse that meets most of your needs, if not all. Number 4. Ensure it's near to a seaport. Choosing a warehouse with a nearby seaport adds to the trade benefits. It makes shipping cost-effective and easy. Most companies use the sea option to transport goods. Thus, a location with a nearby seaport reduces local shipping costs. Number 5. Consider your safety. Climate factors can affect your inventory. It happens when the warehouse lacks well-sealed commercial roofs that prevent leakages. As you consider a warehouse, ensure that its sealing is perfect. Also, ensure it has good protection against rains, storms, and other concerns. Number 6. Look for security systems. The safety of your products remains paramount. As such, look for a warehouse with advanced security systems. It should have enough cameras installed in every important place. All these measures will let you monitor the goods. So these are the factors you must consider when choosing a warehouse. Now let me give you a quick guide on finding the right warehouse. Well, there are many resources through which you can find a good China warehouse. But if you want to find the right one, the following methods will work. Number 1. Visit China's local market. China's local market has many warehousing options. If you explore the Chinese market, you will find many warehouses. Going to the wholesale markets and talking to the suppliers will work. These suppliers can link you up with the warehouse people who can help you get space there. Number 2. Contact different Chinese sourcing companies. Many sourcing companies provide warehousing services in China. Consider using their services. The main task of a sourcing agent is to find a product supplier, but a sourcing agent can offer extra services upon request. It includes packaging, shipping, and also warehousing. Number 3. Use the available online platforms. The simplest method to find warehouses from your home is via online platforms. These include platforms like Alibaba. They have lots of options on their website. Visit it now and choose the warehouse that meets your needs. Number 4. Find China warehouse contacts on Google. The internet is also full of information about warehousing. Please make use of it. But make sure you deal with a genuine company. That's because there can be fraudsters operating in this industry, so it's better to deal with someone you know. Okay, guys, that was all about China warehousing for export business from my side. I hope you have learned enough about warehouses, their benefits, and working. If you liked this video, please hit the like button. If you still have any questions, ask me in the comment section. Thank you for watching the video till the end.